Hi, it's Andrew from Millennial Homeowner, and today I'm going to show you how to use the savings calculator. So the first thing we do is we go to the link in the YouTube video here that will take you to the savings calculator with interest. And the first thing you're going to do is it's going to come already filled up with all these different amounts. So you can enter in how much you already have in your bank account right now. Let's say you've got $2,000. And then you would use the interest rate that you think you're going to have. Right now, the average savings rate is around 1%. It's not great, though you can find better ones depending on where you are or where you look online. And then what you want to do is figure out how long you're going to be saving for. So let's say you plan on saving up for your down payment over 2 years. So we'll do this, move it all the way down to 2. And then the next section here is your contribution amount. So let's say we want to save $100 a month. Well, that's a good start, but you can also go in here and let's say change it to $200. This drop down box, you can click down and you can select how often you're paid. So if you're getting paid bi-weekly, that means every 2 weeks. You could click on this. If it's semi-monthly, you can click on it that way. And then once you've put in all your information here, you can scroll down and you'll see the savings summary. So here we can see that you've saved a total amount of $11,735. Your total contributions, that's the amounts that you've put in back in here over the 2 years, twice a month, will be $9,600. The interest that you'll get on that starting amount, that's the amount that we put in at the very beginning, will be $40.39, and the total interest on all your contributions, that's these amounts here, is $94.60. So the total amount is this $11,735, and this just kind of breaks down how the rest of the number shakes out. Best thing to do is to head to the link in the description and just start playing around and see how fast you can go. You can see from even changing it from semi-monthly to bi-weekly, you get a little more. Of course, the more you save, the faster it's going to go up. Thank you very much.